Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Santander Graduate Account. As a recent graduate, you may be looking for a bank account that meets your needs and helps you manage your finances effectively. In this guide, we will walk you through the key features and benefits of a Santander graduate account. Firstly, it is essential to understand the eligibility criteria for a Santander graduate account. To be eligible, you must have graduated from a university within the last 3 years and have a degree from a UK university. You must also be a UK resident and have a regular income. The Santander graduate account offers a range of benefits, including an interest-free overdraft of up to £2,000. This can be a useful safety net if you need to borrow money to cover unexpected expenses. The account also comes with a contactless debit card and online banking facilities, making it easy to manage your money on the go. In addition to these benefits, the Santander graduate account also offers a range of discounts and rewards. For example, you can get discounts on rail travel and other everyday purchases. You can also earn cashback on certain transactions. To apply for a Santander graduate account, you will need to provide some personal and financial information. This includes your name and address, proof of identity, and proof of graduation. You will also need to provide details of your income and expenditure. Once you have applied for the account, you can manage it online or through the mobile banking app. You can also visit a Santander branch or call the customer service team if you need any help or have any questions. In terms of best practices, it is essential to keep track of your spending and stay within your overdraft limit. You should also make sure you understand the terms and conditions of your account and any fees that may apply. Overall, the Santander graduate account is a great option for recent graduates who want to manage their finances effectively. With its range of benefits and discounts, it can help you save money and make the most of your income. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can apply for a Santander graduate account and start taking control of your finances today.